Let's do a whole shot in this baby and see what we get. Welcome to the channel. Today we're putting a Calas Cam on this beautiful 2024 325. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe so we can grow the channel. We did another video with this jet ski boom stock with just a tune. Since there's no tunes available as far as now, we had to use a fuel tank. So the only thing it has is a fuel tank boom stock, and you have to see the other video to see the results. They were impressive. Now today we're back. We are putting a Calas Cam on it. Look at this beauty. And we also putting springs and retainers. Now something that I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take the original, the 2024 325 springs and retainers, and we're gonna test them and see, because Sea-Doo claims that they have more pressure and they're better. So we are gonna test that. I'm gonna do another video on that result. So today what we're gonna do is this. Let's get to work. Now as far as this engine goes, pretty much to do the cam, it's the same head. They didn't change anything on the head. It should be the same as any other 300. So we're just gonna change it. I'm not gonna film too much because we don't have that much time. We have to get to the lake and do this video. These are the brand new Forge rockers. They're supposed to be the answer to broken rockers. We'll see. Now another thing that I noticed is Sea-Doo changed the spark plug. It's a totally different spark plug. KR9EI8G NGK. Now as far as changing the cam, I spin the motor through the shaft right here using channel locks, and I took the rockers off. Now I have the cam locked. So by spinning the motor, I put it on timing. Remember what I told you guys, it needs to be on timing. And there is the timing for the 24, which is basically the same. It's the same thing as the regular 300. That's how it should be. Now, since it's locked, we're gonna take the 3 bolts off the cam gear. We're gonna take off the tensioner, and we're gonna replace the cam. And just like that, the cam is out. All right, we are almost done. We got the Calas retainers and springs and retainers in. We got the cam. This is torqued and put back on. Everything is on. Gonna put the valve cover on, and I think we're done. Put everything back and let's go tune. All right guys, everything is back on. Now we're ready.
A few moments later.
All right guys, so we are at the lake. We're gonna test this baby and see what we get. Now, are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, we got a Lucky Charm over there.
A true OG. Fizzle Senior.
Yep. So let's get in the water and see what we gonna get. All right, James, what are we doing today?
All right, so we're testing the camshaft. We ran 85, 86 the other day, so I'm hoping at least 88, 89. We'll see. You know, this one did 89 with a drop-in wheel and a camshaft, so it's kind of a good test to see how the stock 325 wheel compares to the 300 drop-in wheel, really.
Yeah. Now, what you guys gotta remember is this ski is completely stock. There's no air. There's nothing drilled for air. It got a stock intake on. Completely stock except for the fuel tank and the Calas Cam with the springs and retainers. That's it. And right after this, we're gonna drill for air. We're gonna put an intake. We're just gonna keep going with the same cam only setup. And let's see how far we can take it. All right, here we go. So we're gonna warm it up a little bit, and he's gonna go all the way back there, and then he's gonna come back at full speed. So that's the plan.
Good news, bro.
What?
That's crazy. A cam and a tune. And springs and retainers.
Wow, that is, guys, 89 miles per hour. Can you believe that?
I can, man. I can.
That's amazing, man. I mean, this has
an air intake and a dropping wheel to get the same speed. That's crazy. Man, they did a crazy job.
I mean, Sea-Doo really hit it off the park. I mean, this is crazy. I mean, you look at this ski. I mean, everything, there's no air going in. The plastic is not being drilled. There's nothing, there's no cheating. There's nothing here. Got everything bone stock. If you look in here, so you still have all of this stuff. It's completely stock. Man, Sea-Doo really did an amazing job with this ski.
I have a feeling they're underrating the horsepower just based off of the RPM limiter, the speed limiter. You know, once you get a tune on this thing, it completely unleashes it 85, 8600 RPMs without anything, just taking the limiters off. It's just crazy.
That is crazy. How many RPMs did you see?
I wasn't even looking, honestly. I was just looking for that mile per hour number.
Man, I mean, I'm speechless. 89 miles per hour. Factory prop.
Yep. Untouched.
Factory air intake.
Yep.
That's crazy.
It's crazy.
Well, what do you expect? It's my turn now.
We'll see what happened.
Well, of course, we're gonna have to do a hole shot on this. Let's do a hole shot on this baby and see what we get. I'm just gonna sit on it normal, so we'll see. Guys, this thing is amazing. I can't believe the power. This is crazy. All right, I think this was a heck of a freaking day. What do you say?
I'm super stoked.
89. I keep saying it. 89 mile per hour, basically stock. Just a cam.
Yep.
That's crazy. What do you, I mean, and the whole shot and everything was like, it just picked up power all the way around.
Yeah, that's the main difference I saw.
Yeah.
The speed is great, but the acceleration A to B was a game changer. With the stock cam, it was just inching up mile per hour by mile per hour once you get to like 80.
Yep.
You know, this just felt like it got straight there.
Yeah, the cam really helps it for acceleration. It just gets there quicker. And of course, gave us a couple of more miles. We take that. I think overall it's man, not much. It doesn't take much to get this kid to go fast.
Yeah.
And that's the whole point that we want to make in this video. Well, remember to comment, like, and subscribe. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did. And I'll see you guys on the next episode. Fearless.